right, welcome back. Now, after that story from Queen B, welcome back. But you were there out there, you won't give us any of your story, whether I say you don't see ghosts to you, or you get person where you reincarnate to you. Let us know whether really this one are true or not be true. You're going to need to enter Twitter at TokTok Wazobia, enter Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. Please, we need your story for us to know whether this thing, they actually exist or not.
It is difficult to believe. It is difficult
to believe.
Very difficult to believe. Even me, na story wait till tomorrow. I know if you tell you say I recover from her, I still dey ask question how, why na me see, but you know what the elderly ones tell me for village say because me and him very, very, very close, and he no know
but
say.
You know say then they talk say if you see ghosts, say you carry sand.
I know say don't die.
But she don't know that.
Me no say don't die. If I know say don't, sorry, let me go first run. But with the kind of relationship with me and him, I'm not sure say I won't run from him.
All right, so we move on to our next story.
So before the next one, I want to ask the next one. They say if you go market, if you bend your head under your leg.
That's another
no,
myth.
But try bend down for market.
That's
make
a
you
myth.
see. You receive slap and you shall not hear again.
All right, moving on from there, we go enter Burna Boy's story. Now, Burna Boy don't come outside blame politics for inside the music industry, and that be the reason why he never gets awards. Are you saying All right. Now, Nigerian singer Burna Boy, he don't open up on his thoughts on why they never give him award since he don't release a new album with the Spaceship. Now, this is not the same reason why the singer, they very convinced, say he not a part of the Nigerian music industry. Now, according to him, he talks that there is so much politics, as we all know and agree, that he is far more talented than a lot of celebrated artists. But that's one Burna Boy now. We know say he actually get a lot of talent. Now, in his own words...
No, he know. I don't know.
I tell you,
some people don't say he get talent.
Yeah.
All right. Now, for your own word, the talk say, it's political, man. To be honest, I don't really feel like I'm a part of the industry. Check out awards. I know they get awards because the powers where they're there, they don't really like me. I am not like everyone else. I won't do what everyone else does. They don't like it. Everything is really political. Too much politics for inside the industry. I am not a very good politician, so I don't really involve myself in all of the parapor where they happen for inside the music industry. What I do be say, I just a drop hit song and my fan base they keep on increasing. But right now you see, now what you call add join. He say I don't have the most Twitter followers or the most Instagram numbers or whatever, but the things that I do, the people with 1 million followers can't do it.
Tell them.
Burna Boy is out to tell you why he never get award, and also a lot of reasons why he could just stick to what they do and not get intimidated by anybody who get 1 million followers on top Instagram. Now, what do you think say be one of the requirements for you to get award? And you believe say there's really politics in the Nigerian music industry?
Yes, politics day.
For the award?
Yes, for industry. I don't see people where they buy awards.
Yeah, I don't see too.
They pay for them. We now, we don't pay for this thing, we know them.
I don't see.
We see artists where they buy awards, they buy followers, number one. They buy Instagram. I so like Instagram. This month we go see people where Instagram go follow their people where them buy. If you don't get real followers, I so like Instagram. Not be like Twitter where get fake ghost followers. But for Instagram, they go on remove all those ghost followers for you. The real ones go show up. And at the end of the year, they always do that one. Then talking about the politics where they talk for the industry. Again, yes, Godfatherism Day, followership day, sales day, distributorship day, shows Godfathers Day. That's who and who go perform for this show, who go buy, which place you go perform, because the more you go places go perform, the more you get followership. Like if you go campus, go perform, then your rating go there different. You understand? So it easy for you to even get ambassadorship. Because they go campus, because the producer of the product, they look for the people where they consume in product, how from which range to which range. Now there they check how they go make you that one. But going back to what Burna Boy talk, me personally, I go say maybe Burna Boy checking attitude. In attitude, they very, very, very. He start on a level where we say attitude, they very bad, very bad. I'll tell you why I talk this one. That time where he fall for stage for Eco Hotel, now Hades, during Hades, and I wait for him to sample himself, the very good place for him to sample himself. But he fall for stage, which if it happen to anybody. But you know, the standing up of somebody where fall, now determine who you be. Then you start throwing shade, you start making haters. Now your first time, wait till you ride on the fame where they put you, like we go say, bask in the euphoria, beauty the color.
You need to bask in the euphoria
of the moment.
Of the moment, yeah.
Make when people say, yeah, then let them love you first. Then you can't explain what's in happen. But no, you feel say everybody now your enemy. Then you live on your own world. But remember, nobody be island. Then again, what's in the award they do for you? You go first ask your question because it gets so many people who get that award, but still nothing. R. Kelly till tomorrow, you don't get any award, but he's still making his money. You understand? So choose where you want belong. If you want to talk about the politics, you talk about it. If you want just face your music career, face and still. But to me, personally, I go say, Burna Boy, check your attitude.
Well, I should just say, like, when I talk to them, they buy award. Because I actually think, I say, at least it's supposed to enter nominee. It's true that it's supposed to enter nominee because if your song do well, if you believe say you don't do well, you don't really do matter the politics, trust me, somehow your name go manage reach nominee. No matter the Godfather reason we did the matter. If you manage good, you good enter bone marrow. People you get fans. Like if some people get 1 million followers and you know get up to 1 million followers. That's even if not 2 followers you get, but because you did very good,
people like
me.
Vico.
Hey, how you tell somebody like Vico?
I walked up that Burna Boy past Vico when it comes to work.
Yes.
But you know what? Vico not speak negative about anybody. He just did positive. He they do his own. They go and the followership they increase. So Burna Boy, chill and just look at Vico.
Just take a cue. Although Vico are the wrongest example, but take a cue from that type of people. Yeah. Just get that positive mind. One day your name go just enter.
But we go invite Vico, give him award for this show. Talk award.
I swear to. Why you enter left like this?
No.
I like enter left. I don't know if I pass and give you.
You know it's in Amaka.
I'm sitting on your seat.
Amaka, I actually like what you talk. Now, yes, like what you talk, Queen. Some people, they actually buy
followers.
Some people, they buy awards and then the rest of them. But you still get some people where they don't need to buy for them to be recognized.
Yeah. Now, I tell you like 3
apart
people
from you,
we no need to buy followership, we no need me. I go give them the award.
We don't enter out today.
One day go. Brimo and Omaomi, you like it or not, kill me or you leave me. Those 3 people. Now people will be say, even when they talk to you, their voice be like say that they sing. It they real. No filter, no nothing. So
now, like what I would actually talk, be saying, yeah, some people they actually buy awards, why some, and there's still some people we don't need to buy awards. Their song, like what you talk about with me, the Bible, and for you, their voice and also their talent, they actually pave way for them. And apart from that, people need to understand, say it's more than having talent. If you get ego problem, trust me, people go actually put you down.
Yeah, you go there where you did. You need to work on your ego.
You understand? If you actually get them, like you talk, R. Kelly never win any Grammy awards.
No,
he never win them, but he's still producing good music,
and people don't
they get
royalty.
So you just need to, if really ego problem like you just need to calm down and focus on giving out good music.
Yeah.
For me,
well, he's saying get good music, and some of the music.
Now he say because I don't understand the rap way con the rap because.
People really
like to party. I like that. Like to party. No.
All right, so let's move on to this particular next story. I don't know if anyone don't hear about the Sugar Belly story.
Oh yeah, tell me again.
So let's talk about it. Now, within a space of 1 week, Sugar Belly, where her real name now Lotana Igwe Odunze, now she don't go from Twitter troll. Now they don't use her as a figure to the poster child of Nigerian rape culture. Now throughout the weekend, Sugar Belly story of by force torchlighting, sexual abuse inside the hands of her then boyfriend, where it be the son of the late Audu, Muhammad, and now the son named Muhammad Audu. Now and his friends don't bring up a lot of questions for inside social media. Now more than ever, a story of pain in the hands of someone where she love and trust. They don't sweep them under carpet. Why? Because they feel say it actually happened and that she actually called for her and called for the by force torchlighting. Now in her own stories, she talks say they actually date this boy, where be the son of Audu wey die. She they date him, but along the line, during the course of their dating, he was sexually abusing her, So saying physically abusing her.
Then share her with her friends.
Even her cousin, the guy go share her with his friends and with a cousin and plenty other things. She said she get proof, but now a lot of other proof don't come outside talk say no, it's not true. Nothing like that actually happened. And now this one don't make her, they don't turn her to story of ridicule for inside Obodo Naija. Now a lot of people they ask this question, does it mean that the Nigerian society not give room for justice to prevail, especially when it comes to raping a girl? Because now they don't sweep them under carpet. And would you also blame her for taking too long in coming out to say it?
Ma, tell you this thing, to be honest, today in a real life issue. This sugar belly matter cause argument between me and my husband. At a point, I just say, okay, let it be. But still, I not go let them be because I still get that side inside me where talk say the girl they talk true. But the time when she take talk at the wrongest time. You know why?
Just to say something.
Yeah.
She don't talk years from now. As in before now, she don't talk and say he actually the by force such time when I be 17 years old. But nobody pay attention to her.
Yes, because then the father still there alive. Maybe they get somebody where they kill the story. You understand? Maybe they get somebody, but because the boy did lamplight now, himself they tweet by himself. So the thing can't be obvious and the family they mourn. To me, I just feel saying at the wrongest time. And if actually she gets somebody or she for reach out to people where they in charge of this thing to help her bring the story come out, then it go dey more realistic. But to me, the way with the story take come out, because she gets email of Gmail from 2007 where she keep. You understand? Where all their conversations, she and the guy. You understand? The ones where she keep.
Actually understand, but we'll talk more on top of the sugar belly issue when we come back after this break. So stay tuned, not go anywhere.
We'll be right back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.